The most awaited moment of the day has come. I request our beloved Chief Minister to address and interact with the students. Sir.
Who has got a mic there? From there. Okay.
My dear students, we are looking for your interaction with the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh.
Good evening, sir.
Where are you?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
నా పేరు రమేష్ సార్. నేను ఇక్కడ బీటెక్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ చదువుతున్నా సార్.
ఓకే.
మా ఆర్జీకేటి విద్యా విధానం లెర్నింగ్ బై డూయింగ్ సార్. దీనిపై మీ అభిప్రాయం?
నన్ను ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తున్నావా? ఒక్క నిమిషం జస్ట్ నువ్వు అడిగే నేను మళ్ళీ ఐ రిప్లై టు యూ లేటర్ ఆన్. ఓకే, యు వాంట్ మీ టు రిప్లై టు యూ నౌ? కొంచెం మీ ప్రెస్ వాళ్ళు పక్కకు జరగండి. ఐ కాంట్ సీ హిమ్.
Whenever you want, sir.
యా. మీ పేరుమా? వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్?
రమేష్ సార్.
రమేష్. బేసిక్ గా నేను అడిగిన ప్రశ్నకు నువ్వు ఒక సమాధానం చెప్పు, నేను నీ సమాధానం చెప్తా.
ఓకే సార్.
What is the reason and what is that you are going to achieve by education? What is your view of achievement by education? What do you want to achieve from education?
I want to become a good engineer.
You want to become a good engineer?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to become a good citizen of this country?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
No.
Of course, sir.
Of course. Okay. What does education mean to you?
Gain some knowledge, sir.
Gain some knowledge. Why do you require knowledge?
For build the nation, sir. Build the nation.
Build the nation. Okay. Okay, anyone else? Practical doing of things is totally different from theory. So if you are learning practically and doing things, it is the best form of education for all of you. I think this will give you long-term results if you are practically doing things and getting yourself educated. Anyone else?
Good evening, sir.
Where are you, ma?
Yes,
Yeah.
straight to you.
Tell me.
Actually, the answer for your question was here we
I'll ask you a different question.
Definitely, sir. You're
Yeah. Where are you from?
I am from Visakhapatnam district, sir.
Okay. What is your family background and why have you joined engineering?
My family, my father was a worker, sir. He works in plywood shop for daily wage, and I particularly preferred engineering stream because I'm very passionate about sciences, particularly. In 10th class, you know, there are only two streams like arts and science, basically. At that age, my interest was basically...
No, basically you are wrong. There are many more faculties than science and maths. Okay?
Yes.
You like science and maths, that's fine.
Okay, sir.
But today's education has got lot of faculties. So all engineers and all doctors only does not make the society.
Definitely, sir. I have to agree with that. But my stream, the stream which I like most was towards sciences, particularly to say chemical sciences and towards environmental issues, sir. So that's why I have chosen this stream of engineering to do something and to do some research in chemical engineering, particularly to say because I have agreed here. I am doing chemical engineering. I am studying engineering third year in chemical engineering. So,
very good. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Become a good scientist. Useful for the state and the country.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else?
Good evening, sir. I am Naveen Kumar, MTech student.
Okay.
ప్రస్తుతం విద్యుత్ సంక్షోభంలో ఉంది. దానికి కావాల్సిన సహజ వనరుల ద్వారా ఉత్పత్తి చేసే విద్యుత్ని మీరు సాంకేతిక అభివృద్ధిపై ఇక్కడ ఆర్జీకేటీ విద్యార్థులు చేస్తున్న దానికి మీరు ఎటువంటి సహాయ సహకారాలు అందించగలరు?
టోటల్ గా సహాయం ఇస్తాను నేను. గెట్ మీ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఫర్ 5 rupees by solar or water below 5 rupees.
Yes sir, we are planning for our RGKT solar mission.
Whatever you want for research, I will supply you all the amount you require.
Thank you sir.
Today an unit of solar energy is costing us 8 to 9 rupees. We are bargaining it for 7 rupees. From 15 rupees it has come to 7 rupees. If you can get it below 5 rupees, that will be economical for us. So if you do that, we are already planning even at 7 rupees to get about 1000 megawatts before March through solar. So if you can make it cheaper, it will be helpful to the people of Andhra Pradesh.
Yes sir, as a pilot project, we have planned for our hospital as a 10 kilowatt plant sir.
Okay. We will finance you totally for that.
Yes sir. Thank you for your cooperation sir.
Okay.
నా పేరు రాధా, నేను ఇంజనీరింగ్ 3rd year ఈసీఈ చదువుతున్నాను. సార్ 2014లో ఆర్జీకేట్ నుండి 6000 గ్రామీణ కుసుమాలు జాతి సేవకే అందుబాటులో ఉన్నారు. సో దాని గురించి మీ అంచనాలు ఏంటి? ఒకవేళ అవకాశం ఉంటే మీరు వారిని ఏ విధంగా ఉపయోగించుకుంటారు?
You are the future of this state and the country.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
I want you to become the future of this world. You are the future citizens of this state and country. You should be world conquerors. Not best in the country is not enough for us. You should be best in the world to compete with the world.
Thank you sir.
Okay?
Thank you sir.
All the best. Anyone else or you want me to talk?
Good evening, sir.
Where are you?
Yes, sir.
I can't see you. Lights? Yeah.
సార్, మీరు ఒక క్రీడాకారుడిగా రంజీ క్రికెట్ కే ఒక కెప్టెన్సీగా ఉన్నారు సార్. ఇప్పుడు నేడు చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్గా మన రాష్ట్రానికి నాయకత్వాన్ని వహిస్తున్నారు సార్. ఈ 2 స్థాయిల్లో మీ యొక్క నాయకత్వ శైలిని మా విద్యార్థులకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారని కోరుకుంటున్నాం సార్.
Okay, surely. When I am talking, I'll explain it to you. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can I start?
Good evening sir.
Oh, where are you? Light on her. Yeah, I can see you. Cheppamma.
నా పేరు జీవితారాణి సార్. నేను ఇంజనీరింగ్ 1st year చదువుతున్నాను. విశ్వవిద్యాలయాల్లో ఉన్న కోర్సులను డిజైన్ చేయాలంటే పరిశ్రమల యొక్క ఆవశ్యకత ఎంతైనా ఉంటుంది. దాని గురించి మీరు ఎటువంటి చర్యలను తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
ఓకే, నేను చెప్తానమ్మా. when I'm talking I'll reply to your question.
Okay, thank you sir.
I'll reply to your question.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్. నా పేరు చంద్రపాల్, నేను E3 చదువుతున్నాను.
Where are you అమ్మా? Yeah.
స్ట్రైట్ టు యూ సార్.
Tell me.
సార్, ఎన్నో వేల మంది విద్యార్థులు ఈ ఆర్జీకేటీ ద్వారా సాంకేతిక రంగంలో నాలెడ్జ్ గెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. అయితే మా ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్జీకేటీని మీరు డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నారో తెలుసుకోవచ్చా సార్?
Surely అమ్మా. when I'm talking I'll tell you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Good evening sir.
Yes.
So my name is Sumadipti. I'm from PUC 2nd year. So this university is providing a good type of education here, but in the engineering courses we are having only few courses, but so many courses are not here compared to the outside engineering colleges. So I want to request you as a student who is aimed to prove ourselves in all aspects to provide all other educational engineering courses sir.
Okay amma, surely.
So
we will try to introduce as many courses as possible. When I'm talking I'll explain everything to you.
So how much time will be taken sir?
I have given you 600 crores this year madam.
Good evening sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am here straight to over to you. Yeah sir. Very good evening to you. First of all, I would like to thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And basically, when this university has started, this has taken with an inflow of 6,000 students per an year, sir. But now it's just 3,000 students per year. Sorry to ask this, but why is it so, sir?
Because the infrastructure was not in place. It has become difficult for the government to manage so many people at one place, and we have to develop the infrastructure before taking in 2,000 again.
Sir,
that is the reason we have reduced it. We will increase it once your infrastructure is over.
thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
This is the last question.
I'm Srilata. I'm studying PUC second year. What's my question is, for development, education is necessary. In our state, the quality of education, how is it maintained, and which type of reforms you are taking to give good education to all, not only the IIIT, total education system in our state.
Last question, Amma. Yeah, tell me.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్, నా పేరు ముఖేష్. నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంజనీరింగ్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ చదువుతున్నాను సార్. మా ఆర్జీకేటీ విద్యార్థులు చాలామంది రాష్ట్ర మరియు దేశీయ స్థాయి క్రీడల్లో విశేషమైన ప్రతిభ కనపరిచి కూడా ఇక్కడ నిరంతరం సాధన చేయడానికి సరైన క్రీడా మైదానం లేక ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు సార్. మా ఈ విద్యార్థులకి మీరు ఏ విధంగా సహాయపడదలుచుకున్నారు ప్లీజ్?
Land acquisition, we'll agree to it. Remaining 100 acres they wanted, we will agree to it and give it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, last and final request, sir, please.
Yeah.
Sir, మాకు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న బెస్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ అందరూ కూడా అంటే ఉద్యోగ భద్రత లేకపోవడం వల్ల
No, I'll talk to you. When I'm talking, I'll tell you.
Last
Okay,
question.
sir.
Sir, last question.
Yeah.
I am CH Surya Kumar, sir.
Yeah.
I am studying BTech third year.
Yeah.
In spite of having such a huge population here, we still don't have a full-fledged library or seminar hall here.
Okay.
Could you please help us in this concern, sir?
What do you want me to help you in? I have given you 600 crores for your university.
Yes,
you
sir.
want more money or you want that particular thing?
No, sir. We are not knowing. We are not coming to know how they are allotted.
It is only for your 3 colleges. This year, I have allotted 600 crores for your university.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
So, if you want a library or auditorium, what did you ask?
Both, sir.
Both.
The most
I think
basic facility.
your college of this magnitude requires it. We will plan for you surely. First we will give it to you, then to the other 2 colleges.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.